Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Assalamualaikum. Hello friends, this is Ripti speaking in front of you. Now I want to talk about sound. So let's get started. For sound, English, 필레이트 타기네. pencil. Ball sound, English, 필레이트 타기네. basket. Tall sound, English, 필레이트 타기네. teacher. Door sound, English, 필레이트 타기네. daddy. Call sound, English, 필레이트 타기네. cat. kite. queen. Go sound, English, 필레이트 타기네. Garin. That's all my information. Stay with me for my next video. Okay, bye.